story, The Magical World of Innocence. In a quaint little village surrounded by lush green fields and sparkling streams lived a curious and adventurous child named Rohan. With sparkling eyes and an infectious grin, Rohan embodied the essence of childhood. Rohan's days were filled with laughter and wonder. He spent his mornings playing with friends in the village square, chasing butterflies and climbing trees. His afternoons were spent listening to his grandmother's enchanting stories filled with magic and bravery. Summer vacations were Rohan's favorite time of the year. He spent hours exploring the nearby woods, discovering hidden streams, and picking wild flowers. One summer, Rohan stumbled upon an old rusty bicycle in his grandfather's attic. With the help of his friends, he restored it to its former glory. The bicycle became his trusty companion, taking him on a thrilling adventure. Rohan's childhood was also filled with valuable lessons. His parents taught him the importance of empathy, kindness, and hard work. His father, a skilled farmer, showed him the joys of nurturing plants and watching them grow. His mother, an exceptional cook, taught him the secrets of traditional recipes. Years passed, and Rohan grew into a thoughtful and compassionate young man. Whenever he faced challenges, he drew strength from those carefree days, reminding him of the magic and wonder of childhood. Moral of the story: childhood simplicity fosters lifelong wisdom. Empathy and kindness matters. Family and community are vital. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.